Hi, and welcome to Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim, and I thank you for joining us today. Also joining me today, again, in the studio, is Alibe. So she started to explain to us her process of food management to reduce food waste and to enhance sustainability. Now, if you saw the last episode, you would have begun to learn about the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. That was a program launched by the United Nations. And it's also right there on the symbol on her pin. And much of what we're learning today is in alignment with that. So thank you, Alibe.
Thank you for having me on your show.
What are we going to do first?
Well, I wanted to show you a few tools. For example, we have these plastics here. We have to make sure that they are airtight because that prevents oxidation in the vegetables where you're storing them there. And so I have different types, as you can see, different sizes for different size of vegetables.
Well prepared.
All prepared, yes. Very important. This is very important. And different shapes and big and small to play around with that. But we're gonna put this away for now.
Okay. Shall I put that over there?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay.
The other part is to have your refrigerator. It's very important how you store food in the refrigerator. I buy this, I think it's like the Schwamp.
The what?
Something like that.
Alexa, search for Schwamp cloth.
Exactly. This is a very absorbent material that I use for the trays in the refrigerator where I put my vegetables and my fruits. You can cut it in the size of your tray, and usually I put it in the laundry every couple of weeks, and then you can take it out again and put it back in the tray. So we're done with this for now, and you can put this away. Thanks.
Right.
This is another tool that I use in my kitchen. White paper towel, no prints, because we are going to use this to put it in the base of each container and into the trays where I'm preserving the vegetables.
Good idea.
Next is this, very important, my little pot. It says garlic right there. So this little container is very special to me because I put a lot of garlic in here, and as you can see, I also put a little piece of paper towel like I mentioned before and cut it round. Fits right in. I do this because if you allow all the air to come in, then your garlics end up looking very dry and ugly. So
I've had that happen.
exactly. So I'm trying to prevent the moisture from building in, and also the air for not drying them completely out and then have very sad garlics to cook with.
Right.
And then the next thing is my knives.
I see this. This is an
I
impressive
adore.
collection.
I had this set, many of these knives already been with me for 28 years. So this one is a serrated knife. It's a perfect knife to cut tomatoes. Even when they are very soft, you can still cut and slice tomatoes very nicely. So this is one of my favorite knives in the kitchen. This for bread and meats. Another knife that I really appreciate is this one. You know how when you get home and you're late and you haven't defrosted some meat and you want to prepare something? Well, if you want only half of the chicken breast that you have in the freezer, you can cut it with this knife. It's great, very strong knife. And this set, obviously for carving and serving, and my scissors. Perfect for cutting bones. The Cutco usually cuts a penny when they are doing the presentation. They can cut a penny with the scissors, but you don't need to do that in your kitchen. So we also have the potato peeler and the carrot slicer. So very important to have in the kitchen. And next is my laundry net, which are great for storage potatoes, garlics. As you can see, I have a few things here. This is also a special bag they sell. I think I bought it at Bath & Beyond. It actually helps to cook potatoes in the microwave.
Oh, okay.
But I decided that I don't like my potatoes cooked in the microwave, so I'm using them for storage the potatoes. This is a great little tool too. And here I already have some garlics ready, so you can see. And these garlics, they have been in the refrigerator, in my refrigerator, for the past 4 weeks.
And I have to say, they don't look, they're beautiful. They really don't look dried and shriveled, which mine often start to look like around that time.
I will show you all the tricks to keep your garlic safe and sound until you use it for dinner.
All right. Well, thank you, Alibe, and thank you for joining us today for another episode of Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim, and I hope you'll click through to the next episode. We're doing them a little differently this time because this is one in a series. And the next one coming up, we learned about the tools, we're getting everything ready, but next up is going to be actually learning how to go at those vegetables and prep everything so that they last longer and serve you nutritionally better. So thank you again for joining us. I'm Jeff Oppenheim. Until the next time, stay safe and stay well.